Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys sometimes whenever you try to install a tweaked app or a revoked app and it doesn't let you install it. I'm going to show you how to get past that so you can get all the paid apps, all of that for free. The one requirement is working iPhone obviously and a jailbreak. The iPhone needs to be jailbreaked. So we're gonna go head over to Cydia. Presuming you have Cydia, if you use Cilio or something else, you can use that. But you're gonna go. Make sure you have the source. I'll find the source. 1 second. So just make sure you don't download it from any like sketch. You want to download it from the official repo. I will leave the repo in the description. So what you want to do is head over here. Obviously, just press install, confirm. It's gonna want to restart your springboard, so I'll be back once I've restarted my springboard. Sorry about that, guys. If you download it from the official repo, which I will link in the description, I just didn't know which one was the official one. I asked my friend. What you want to do is go to download it from that repo, which I'll leave in the description. I will, by the way, guys, it should come up with a notification saying restart your phone. So once you install AppSync, you want to restart your phone. That's the issue I got. Okay, guys. So unfortunately, the what do you call it? Geometry Dash no clip mod crashed for me. So we're gonna go back. Community apps. Let's try a different one. Let's try App Installer. Press install. Once you press install, head to your home screen. Make sure you restarted your phone, obviously. There we go. Press on it. There we go, guys. App installer. If you guys want me to make a tutorial on this, let me know. But this is how you install apps from Revoked apps with your jailbreak. Let me know if you liked the video. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day. Peace.